up? XOKARARAE here and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys I have another wig review. So if you are interested to see what I'm currently wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. So before I continue, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I hope everybody has a blessed 2018. Goals, my YouTube is goals in 2018. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you did. So now let's jump into this video. This video has been brought to you guys by the company SAMSBEAUTY.com. They sent me this gorgeous unit to review for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this one with you because in 2018 we all need to slay, and this one is definitely going to up your wig game to the next level. So let me tell you what I'm currently wearing. So right now I have on the Harlem 125, and this is a Swiss lace unit. This is the style FLS11, and the color I am currently wearing is SGD 4276A. So it's this gorgeous beigeish, brownish, blonde color, and it fades into this equally like gorgeous ash blonde color. And the bottom, this unit does feature the 4x4 full lace with a silk base parting area, so you can part it to the right, to the left, to the middle, flip it, however you want to do it. This unit is completely customizable. It also has some baby hairs that come with the unit that you can brush down and make the hairline look even more natural. I did have to pluck the parting and add some powder to the parting, and I will let you guys know right now that this unit does not come with a set part, so you are going to have to put in some work to get it to look the way you want it to. It is completely customizable, so that is the good thing, but you do have to do some work to get it to make it look and lay the way you want it to. So on the SAMSBEAUTY site, this unit is retailing for $34.99, which is a complete steal for this blonde bombshell look that I have going on. I just can't get over how like gorgeous this unit is. So yeah, of course you have your two combs on either side of your part, and you have a comb in the back. You do have adjustable straps as well, so you can use those if you like. I'm not using any of my combs or adjustable straps. I just have it on my head and it fits me pretty snugly. So yeah. Okay, so now let's jump into what I think of this unit. This unit is everything. I am like completely in love with it. At first when I pulled it out of the packaging, I was a little bit apprehensive just because it is a lot to kind of create the look that you want. If you're looking for something to just throw on your head right out of the packaging, this is not for you. You do have to create your own part, but it's really not that difficult. It just takes a little bit more time than your normal synthetic unit. But for a synthetic unit, I feel like this is giving me all types of like virgin hair wig vibes. Like this unit is like completely gorgeous. I don't know, I fell in love with the color on the site, but once I actually got it and in person I played with it, I just like was blown away by this coloring. The only thing that I am so mad about, and I always get gorgeous blonde units that have like this dark root, the dark root does not go throughout the unit, and that is my only complaint on this unit. Is the dark root is literally like just on the closure or the top of the unit, and the rest is just blonde tracks. So I don't know, I mean, it is what it is. It just kind of is disappointing because I just think that the dark root makes it look so natural, but like if you part it a certain way, especially in the back at the top, then you need to be careful because it might begin to look wiggy because you don't have that dark root to kind of like cover up the blonde tracks, if that makes sense. But that is really my only complaint, is that the dark root doesn't go throughout the entire unit. There is a little bit of tingling, but nothing excessive. You do get a little bit of shedding when you first brush through it, but I'm not getting any shedding at the moment. It does have some layers throughout it. It's mainly the top is like the shorter length, and then it's pretty long toward the bottom. I'd say this is like a 18-inch. I'd say this is like an 18-inch unit. It's not too unbearably long, but it is pretty long for a wig. but I feel like it's a nice natural length and it gives like really nice natural vibes. So that is it for this review. I definitely love this. I definitely recommend it. I think it's a perfect unit for you guys to have in your collection. This is just a gorgeous unit. It looks so natural in my opinion, and I think that you guys will definitely love this unit. So if you like this video and you want to see more wig reviews / tutorials from me in 2018, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Also, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me in this upcoming year. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.